So how are you all? I hope you are enjoying your early day. Today's date is Friday, 15th of May 2020. This is basic science. Today we are moving to types of pollution. Don't forget that we have treated the definition and the causes of pollution. Now today we are moving to types of pollution. What did I call it? Types of pollution. Last time, let me quickly revise with the last one, which is the definition for pollution. I said pollution can be defined as the release of harmful substances into the environment. Is that not? Now, after that, we now move to the causes. We said that the harmful substances that is causing pollution is called what? Pollutants. Don't forget. But today we are moving to types of pollution. What did I call it once again? Types of pollution. We have types of pollution. The first one is air pollution. Say it after me. Air pollution. What did I call it? Air pollution. Air pollution. The second one is what? Water pollution. The second one is what? Water pollution. Why the third one is what? Noise pollution. The third one is what? Noise pollution. And the fourth one is what? Land pollution. Now let's quickly spell. Say it after me. A-I-R, air. P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N, pollution. Air pollution. The second one, water pollution. W-A-T-E-R, water. P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N, pollution. Water pollution. The third one is what? Noise pollution. N-O-I-S-E, noise. P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N, pollution. Noise pollution. Land pollution. L-A-N-D, land. P-O-L-L-U-T-I-O-N, pollution. Now, air pollution. I've explained this earlier when we are dealing with the definition and the causes of pollution. Now, I explained that, for example, now you are in the class and your classmates now met in the class. You said he or she has polluted the air. Now, you can see that is, or when somebody in your environment, they open their socket and everything started smelling, you said they have polluted the air. That is the example, that is very good example of air pollution. But look at this water pollution. For your example now, your mommy puts drinkable water in the house. So, and somebody now puts kerosene in the water, which means the water are polluted. You cannot drink the water again. That is very good example of water pollution. They polluted the water. It is not good again. Like noise pollution now. No, you can see somewhere is very silent. There is no noise. And everybody, some people now started fighting. They shouted, they started making noise. Which means they polluted. They polluted the environment with noise. So that is noise pollution. What of land pollution? For example, now you planted some things on the farm, and whether one tanker now fell. So, which means the kerosene or petrol now steadily go to the place where they planted something, which means they polluted the land. Please, is it clear to you? So, I've explained before. So, in this topic of pollution now, we've treated the definition as pollution can be defined as the release of harmful substances into the environment. And the cause is the pollution, the harmful substances that's called the pollution is called what? Pollutants. Don't forget. And these are the types of pollution that we have. We said we have air pollution, we have water pollution, we have noise pollution, and we have land pollution. With this simple explanation by now, I think you will have known the types and the definition. And whenever you have it in your exam, you're supposed to write for me and explain So let me give you an assignment on this. Now assignments. So I will still revise you to the last topic. Now let me revise you to the last one that we did. You know, I can even give you an assignment because we have done it and you know. Number 1, define pollution. Number 2, mention 4 types of pollution. Number 3, when your drinkable water adds to kerosene, what type of pollution is that? So that is the assignment for you. When your drinkable water adds to kerosene, what kind of pollution is that? Thank you. Bye for now. This is Mrs. Akanbi from Fasatek School, Old Ife Road, Ibadan. You can visit us on our website www.fasatek.ng, or you can search for us on our YouTube Fasatek Schools. Bye for now. See you next time.